how to light up your model on Blender in one clip. So there's an add-on I've been using for a while now. I found it online, which is the lighter add-on. This is the lighter add-on. So this is it here. So you can check this out. This add-on allows you to light up your model, anything, with just one click, and I'll be explaining that in this tutorial video. So let me go back to my Blender. But before we continue, don't forget to click on the subscribe button and also on the notification bell to get more tutorial from Timmy the Creator. So this is my t-shirt on my screen, which is going to be my model. So I'm just going to scroll down to bring out the lighter add-on. So this is my lighter add-on here, and make sure that you've selected your model. It doesn't have to be a t-shirt, any model, and also make sure your origin is placed at the center, not away from the model. And the next thing you do is to click on light it up, and you have something like this. So let's check this in cycles. You have something like this. So and the next thing you can do, you can spread the light. Can you see this? Just spread the light around. And if you're not satisfied, we also have what we call seeds. Click on the seeds. You can have something like this. Adjust it, adjust it, adjust it. Can you see? You can scroll down and also change the color of the light. You can click on this and change it to green. The green is showing here. You can click on the second one, make it probably yellow. Can you see this? You can scroll down again, click on this, make this blue, and then you have something like this. So this add-on, I've been using it for a while now, so you can check this out or purchase it on Super I, which is also known as Blender Market, and check all the features of this add-on. With just one click, you can light up your model on Blender. So thank you for watching this tutorial from Timmy the Creator. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button and also the notification bell to get more tutorial from Timmy the Creator.